Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to track your orders on Pandabuy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to pandabuy.com. Next, log into your account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select User Center. In the User Center, locate and click on the Orders tab. Here, you will find a list of all of your orders. Click on the specific order you wish to track to view its details. Within the order details, you'll find information about the current status of your order, such as whether it has been collected, it is in transit, or out of delivery, or has been delivered. Take note of the order status to stay updated on its program. And there you have it, that's how you track your orders on pandabuy.com. Please check the link in the description for more stuff about Pandabuy. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. In this video,